So I'm back with my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and even though the front passenger side door is closed, the computer thinks it's open because the door switch is bad. Now this causes the door light to constantly cut on and off while driving, and if you set the alarm it may go off for no reason because the computer thinks the door is being open when in fact it isn't. The switch is located in the door jamb itself and sends a signal to the computer letting it know if a door is opened or closed depending on what position this rod is in. The only tool you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to want to push the tab on the connector inward while you pull the switch out for removal. I picked up this OEM replacement part online for 12 bucks, and you'll notice the rod on the new part sticks out a little further. But that's normal, and after closing the door a few times, it will adjust itself.